Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 60, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Manaram Kamadhenu Nidhi Sara Chintamani Kayavanu Jaya Cheniyoge Ghade Sarvasatta Taya Samyata Kayasi Kona Ata. O my mind, Lord Rama is like the wish fulfilling tree. He is like the wish fulfilling cow. The words will be insufficient to describe him who is like the essence of wealth, the wish fulfilling gem. When one becomes integrated with him, he will have all the powers of mind. None is comparable to Lord Rama. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Kalpataru means wish fulfilling tree. Kamadhenu means wish fulfilling cow. Nidhi means wealth. Sar means the essence. Chintamani means a wish fulfilling gem. Kaya means how. Vanu means describe. Jayacheni means by which. Yoge is means. Ghade means happens. Satta means rule. Taya means to him. Samyata means equal. Kayasi means how. In the previous shloka, Samartha Ramdas Swami explained that no matter how many ideas we can think of to imagine how God is, it will not be possible in our lifetime to do that. Here also, he is continuing to explain that Lord Rama is impossible to describe, and what he can do is impossible to compare against the so called imaginary concepts, which are all pointing towards fulfilling whatever we wish. In Hinduism, there are references in the scriptures to Kamadhenu, which is wish fulfilling cow, and Kalpataru, which is wish fulfilling tree, and also Chintamani, which is a wish fulfilling gem. Kalpavruksha or Kalpataru, the wish fulfilling tree, and Kamadhenu, the wish fulfilling cow, are both referred in the Vedic scriptures as emerging from the Samudra Manthana, the churning of the ocean of milk by Devas and Asuras, in order to find the nectar of immortality. Chintamani, a wish fulfilling gem, has also been referenced by the famous Saint Jnaneshwara in his religious book Jnaneshwari, which is the commentary on the Bhagavad Gita. Chintamani is also another name for the god Ganesha, who is the first one to worship when any new beginning is to be done, as he is the god who removes all obstacles. The meaning of this name of his is the one who removes all of the worries. Samartha Ramdas Swami mentions that describing Lord Rama is beyond words, and what he can fulfill is not even comparable to all these wish fulfilling concepts together. When we become one with him, unite with him, then we can have all the powers to have full control over our minds. Satta means rule, power, but here the reference of that is towards the control of the mind. When we devote ourselves to God, then He will help us in gaining that control, which is supposed to be the ultimate control we can have. मना राम कल्पतरु कामधेनु निधी सार चिंतामणी कायवानु जयाचे नियोगे घडे सर्व सत्ता तया साम्यता कायसी कोण आता. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.